I'm Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Corner Cube. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So this is a dexterity puzzle. We have a bunch of bits, it's going to fall apart, and then we'll put it back together. So, to make it fall apart, we're going to pretty much find our colors here. Now we have all this white. We'll focus on the white. It can be any of the colors. So we can kind of see that this piece with the, we'll grab this piece with the logo and the reverse side without a logo. And then we will find our other white logo and grab its reverse side. And we will just pull it. And it falls apart. We got a bunch of pieces. They are sort of identical. There's actually a set of left and rights of each color. So we have like 2 red pieces. They're identical, but they're mirrored. So we will sort our sets out into the left and rights. And then we will slide them together like so. And then we'll take our last piece. And we're just mating these pyramids in the middle to make a point. And it makes this neat little thing, and you can see all the logos are sticking out, and yes, this is what we're looking for. And we'll do the same on the other side. And then we will grab these 2 objects. And we will just slide them together. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.